Hello students, let's read this question. Check whether the following are quadratic equations. Starting with first. So in first we have x plus 1 whole square is equals to 2 into x minus 3. Now by using the formula of a plus b whole square, which is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab, we can write this as x square plus 2x plus 1 is equals to 2x minus 6. So solving this we get x square plus 7 equals to 0. So if we compare this with the equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So as we can see that we have x square term, we have c the constant term, but we does not have the x term, but the highest power of this is 2. That means we can say that therefore the given equation is a quadratic equation. Now move on to the second one, that is x square minus 2x is equals to minus 2 into 3 minus x. Now solving this we get x square minus 2x is equals to minus 6 plus 2x. Further solving this we get x square minus 4x plus 6 equals to 0. If we compare this with the equation of x square plus bx plus c equals to 0, we can clearly see that our equation has the highest power of x as 2. That means we can say this equation is also a quadratic equation. Move on to the third equation, which is x minus 2 into x plus 1 is equals to x minus 1 into x plus 3. Now solving this we get x square minus x minus 2 is equals to x square plus 2x minus 3. Solving this we get 3x minus 1 equals to 0. If we compare this with the equation of ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, in which the highest power of x is 2, but in this we does not have the highest power as 2. That means we can clearly say that it is not a quadratic equation. Now move on to the fourth one, that is x minus 3 into 2x plus 1 is equals to x into x plus 5. Solving this we get 2x square minus 5x minus 3 is equals to x square plus 5x. Further solving this we get x square minus 10x minus 3 is equals to 0. If we compare this with the equation of x square plus bx plus c equals to 0, in which the highest power of x is 2. So here in our simplified equation we have the power of x highest power as 2. That means we can say this equation is also a quadratic equation. Now move on to the fifth one, that is 2x minus 1 into x minus 3 is equals to x plus 5 into x minus 1. So solving this we get 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equals to x square plus 4x minus 5. Further solving this we get x square minus 11x plus 8 equals. So as we can see that if we compare this by ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, we can clearly see that in our power of x is 2. That means this equation is also a quadratic equation. Now move on to the sixth one, that is x square plus 3x plus 1 equals to x minus 2 whole square. Further solving this by using the applying the formula of a minus b whole square, which is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. If we put the value, if we use this identity here, we get x square plus 3x plus 1 equals to x square plus 4 minus 4x. Further solving this, we get 7x minus 3 equals to 0. If we compare this with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, we can clearly see that here the highest power of x is 2 and here the highest power of x is 1. That means this is again not a quadratic equation. Now move on to the seventh equation, which is x plus 2 whole cube is equals to 2x into x square minus 1. As we know, there is an identity of a plus b whole cube, which is equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. If we use this identity here, we get x cube plus 8 plus x square plus 12x is equals to 2x cube minus 2x. Solving this, we get x cube plus 14x minus 6x square minus 8 equals to 0. If we compare this with the form ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, as we can see here the highest power is 2, but here in the simplified version we have the highest power of x is 3. That means this is also not a quadratic equation. Now move on to the last equation, which is x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equals to x minus 2 whole cube. Here we can use the identity of a minus b whole cube, which is equals to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. If we use this identity here, we get x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equals to x cube minus 8 minus 6x square plus 12x. If we further solve this, we get 2x square minus 13x plus 9 equals to 0. If we compare this by the standard equation, which is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, as we can see the highest power of x is 2, and in simplified version we have the highest power of x is 2. So we can say that this is also a quadratic equation. So we have checked whether the following equations are quadratic equations or not for all of the following. So hope you understand it well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.